to do a birdhouse tour. Look at this birdhouse. They were flying. This one about to come out. You see it fly? Come on. He don't want to come out. He's scared. He a little shaky little dude. What the one? They go the one that was flying. Keep flying. Look at it. They finding her. They got some little babies right there. And a little brother, I think. Ain't nobody in there. Yup. Nobody in these cages. Cause they all outside. Look at these though. You saw that? There's a little baby too. Let's go outside. Mama. We went outside. Here's the one that was flying. I think some babies down here. They just chilling out in the sun. And in Memphis, it's like 50 degrees. It's so hot. That one up there. These birds fat. This is the dog Buddy. There's his girlfriend. Yup. We heading back to the porch. This continues the video.